Alright, so this is a third recording, and then what I'm doing is taking apart an HP and adding some more RAM in it. So 而家需要做啦係 upgrade 嗰啲 RAM， 然後 upgrade 嗰陣時 upgrade 完可以同你自己熟悉嘅店鋪傾下偈啦。然後頭先講到 so I was talking about the map on the computing. So there are these receipts, and then there is a request to fax me my receipts. 可以 fax 嗰啲 receipt 啦，或者去人嗰度。但係如果怕俾人勾咗線啦，放晒差館先咯。喂，我知道我啲嘢全部有單有據，有信用卡收據。Yeah. So that's how it is. I've never had anyone accuse me for stealing. 我都暫時喺香港同埋喺美國都好少人話我貪心攞過人哋啲電腦或者電腦資料嘅。因為我自己嘅英文程度非常高啦，然後所以都唔需要。反而我又幫人哋做一啲 strategic 嘅即係類似你知有將領啦，有元帥啦，有師爺啦，師爺。有冇唔見螺絲啊？唔見咗粒螺絲點樣啊 ？If you lose a screw， 鴨寮街。So if you go to 深水埗 ，that's where it is。喺深水埗地鐵站已經有個地圖嘅。陰力。因為刷機嚟講啦，通常有一啲呢一啲嘅。So there is the clips, and the clips you find one, you feel the size of the clip, then you know where to push. Make sure it's no battery. If there's a battery, take it out because you get shocked. Yeah. And I've seen people blacken face before. Nice and neat. Put it aside. And you see the memory chip here and here. Gloves. So let me get my gloves. If you have no gloves, I suggest you do this, okay? Do you see this in the movie? Do I look like a movie to you? Alright.隻手唔乾淨嘅話咧，唔好掂啲電腦配件啊！如果食完大家樂，大快活、大家樂、美心嗰啲點食啊？ So you take out one of the chips, and without touching the chip, you read it. It's 8 gig already. So total there's 16. And then you can look onto other ones. And then you can, there are two different types of, at least two different types of the notebook memory chip already. There's one on the side. There's one in the middle, the connector. So this one is offside, 即係喺偏埋一邊嘅 ，OK？ 有一個咧係喺中間嘅 ，so remember that one. And then you look at the. Sometimes you might have to clean the fan， 可能要清洗個風扇位。呢一個咧係 hard drive 可以換嘅。So you can change the hard drive. This one is battery， 呢個係 battery 啦。speakers 喺入面有磁石係 speaker。電池下面應該有嗰個chip， 咁呢部3000零4000蚊咧，可以將嗰個 processing chip 都可以換嘅。So Intel i3 可以加到 Intel i5 或者 i7。差唔多係咁樣啦。And what happened in Hong Kong once was that I go to a store, and I don't know why, I go back to the store, everything was sold out. I was like, wait, who is buying things same as me? So that's how it is. 然後通常都係嗰啲屋村嗰啲啦，乜乜村乜乜村乜乜村嗰啲參考人士 ，and they don't know how to use it that well. So that's all. 然後呢一種就叫做炒高價錢 ，so it's kind of frying up the price. 因為每一個嘅貿易方面啦，貿易即係出入口、買賣、購買啦，買賣同埋購物同賣翻出去啦，係講個貨品銷售量嘅提供與需求。So it is supply and demand in the economics and business studies. So that's all it is. 係撳落去，然後插翻落去啦。And let me show you that it will turn back on. Match the adapter, and then there's extra screws. You didn't have to take it off. You can screw it back， 即係可能又可以做翻一啲嘅個人嘅步驟啦。 例如呢粒冇螺絲嘅，然後你知道呢個 CD 位係頂住，你可以上咗螺絲，然後自己下次記得要開咗個 CD、DVD drive 嗰個門，然後先至再翻。如果唔係有人搞過你部電腦就會知道啦。So always hold this, and the way you hold it is kind of like holding, anything. So always hold it. So sometimes you want your fingerprints on a thing, sometimes you don't. I have my fingerprints on things, on my things. So I hope everybody enjoy these teachings. 即係可以用嘅事項啦。而家最近嘅行情let me do it on a video. So this video is strictly on changing the RAM chip.